Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress up like Dress to Impress Petal update avatar. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can use this makeup or this face and you're going to go to the hairstyle selection and then you're going to choose this hairstyle. Okay, and then we're going to get the withered rose set. So you can go to this menu and then you can go to the clothing. Okay, then you can buy this withered rose set. Okay, you can buy this item, this one, and also this one. Okay, and after that, we're going to go to the dressing room and wear the the withered rose set. Okay, I'm going to go to the dressing room here. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the both items and we can use this one, this item, this one, and also this one, the sleeves. Okay, and this is the final result, and then you can continue to style your avatar. I'm just going to wear this pink bow heel, and then I'm going to color it soft pink. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress up like avatar from Dress to Impress Petal update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.